Hello, Tyler.
Hi, what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Sure.
What's up?
I'm not playing at the moment, so it's make
No,
it
no
busy as
stress.
I'm
Okay, no stress.
Okay,
For
sure.
sure.
Adwayeze acceptela abantu lento yami.
Hey, accepted again.
I don't know what mina ngimpresse ngisayehla guys.
Konje nami is my third day to be live.
Yeah, kumele ube live lapho. Ngisafuna ubakhomba ukuthi ngihamba phi lana. Yangibhayizisa lento le. Flip the camera. Inikhomba indlu yama-gladiator bafethu.
It's ubabambe kala.
Indlu yama-gladiator. Guys, phela abo Spartacus mekwabantu abamnyama. It was black people that were fighting here. It's weird that I'm here. Shothi ukuthi nama ngifake bathi ngiyolwa laphaya bascreame bonke la belungu. Because abodaki sicwalanga la ngathi si3 bengilwisa no Sithini. Sithini. Better hold your own. Make it entertaining. Yazo. Ngoba uyosilisa lapha. Must make it entertaining njalo. Oh, now la ma-chairs abathanda ukuthatha ama-picture kuwo bahlezi phansi. Those ones. Yeah, you see a lot of people when they come here, they sit on those chairs and they take pictures.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
Mina ngifuna ukucabana lapha bangifake ngishaye somewhere. I stole your profile picture. First of all, you're not Peter and you didn't even create that picture. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, yeah. That looks so dope. That looks so really dope. Bakhombe mina mfethu abantu bami. Ilife engiyiphilayo. Makhombe ilife engiyiphilayo.
This thing was made Berlin, like handmade.
Handmade in Ghana by black people. That's why. It's so dope, guys. It's so clean. So there. I never do sightseeing. I never really like sightseeing. But, there's a picture here. Like this, ne? Like this. Like this. Ngingiphozele la. Ngishayele so. That would be nah. Shoot. Like there. Somewhere like that. Can't read Italian. It's written in Italian. This is not Tyler. It is who if it's not Italian?
Good. Hi, Tyler. Things that I don't do.
Okay, namhlanje.
I just woke up, so ngihlele nondo. Ngilele ngo-5 nje.
Njengoba mosichomela uthi uyolala.
Azange ngilale benginabo Nduva lapha kuphane.
Hayi ngiyayibalekela mina le panel
But I was not kuphane. I was on the comment section watching.
hayi mina ngayibalekela.
Why?
Ngikhathele izolo.
So uvele wavala walala.
Ngavala ngalala mina.
Tyler,
Hi.
how are you?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Where are you going?
We're just sightseeing just for
South Africa. No, isn't that Italy? Rome. Is it Rome?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's not bad. Okay.
we just sightseeing. Yeah.
Uthayela uzosiphathelani wena mara?
Hotel ama-chappies.
Hayi hayi.
I want those biscuits that you actually overlooked.
Ama-biscuits ase-Rome. Sicela ama-biscuits ase-Rome, Tyler.
Ngizenzela nesnack.
Please.
Ngizenzela
No, yazi
nesnack.
mina ukuthi ngicela ungiphathele ini. Because ngithanda ama-scarf and I know they have the best. Ngicela i-scarf lapho.
Skafu?
Yebo.
Mfethu akekho noyi-one ogqoka iskafu lana mfethu. Njengoba kubani akekho noyi-one ogqoka.
Tyler, you can go to the shops. Hi, Caleb. You'll find it. Sikhona.
Akekho lana noyi-one ogqoka iskafu.
Tyler, ngiyakutshela mina ukuthi sikhona. Angisho ngiyadliva.
Mina ngiyishop.
Yes, mayothenga ama-biscuits wakho usibheke.
Ama-biscuits bawathengisa downstairs la ngihlala khona. Ngine-market. Ngine-mini market.
Ask them ukuthi basiphathe.
Ngine-spaza shops. That's ama-Italian.
Leyo nayo.
Ubani usayizanda man. Oh, I
I-life
achieved
goal.
something. Oh, I achieved something. That's nice.
Uzobona ukuthi sithola kanje.
So ngidlala manje. Ngivele navuka nadlala.
Mina uNdo ungidlalisile just sihleli we just chilling. Mina I'm gonna go off now to take a shower.
Undo mina adlala Undo by the time it's midnight. Sekashaye sonke ngemali nama-rankings la.
Kanti Ndo wena
That's bye. Bamnike bama 18 or yeah, it was 18 something earlier, ne? On the other man.
You won't say ukuthi Chomi, I have manzi, I have the monies.
Yeah, meyiwa yama-coins lapha boy. Bamnike 18k.
Usibo ngithi wangijwala wangiwethu 50k kwaqhamuka ku-frost wamnyisa. Like
Isikhala earlier
Now
on.
wenzani Tyler when this was happening? You should have put the lion wayahada wangasamtholile.
Hayi mfethu mina ngibhizi ngezinto zami. Ngivele ngangena ngayibona ithi 8 ngathi multi party mo. Thato.
Guys, please, can I have a hair and mustard? There's my friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to. Into yokulala ngo-5 today, I'm not doing it. Because you end up not doing it.
It's easily doable.
No, ngizodlala early. I'm gonna shower and start playing after taking a shower and then bese ngizolala early.
You're right. Yekela ikhokho la ondo ngibona abantu bozovala indawo namhlanje.
Angeke, angibamba. Ngezikwazi. Emakhaya ugesi avuhamba.
Ukuphi wena? Usemakhaya?
Usho bani?
Usuke lapha ngayikhaya.
Undo usemakhaya.
Like it doesn't have anything.
Kanti Ndoma semakhaya nina manje senivalile sabona background. Siyathanda ukubona emakhaya.
Why?
Siyathanda ukubona emakhaya.
Why?
It's refreshing.
What is refreshing? I can't tell boy.
Kunani alithi?
Ufuna ungithatha isithombe phambi kwale vele. Ngizala ngeke bavumi. Yeah. Bakufaka amehlo yenza inkinga.
Yabona ngidlalela phela bakithi nani lebe ngicela ngidlaleni. Yabona ukuthi ngiyadliwa. Ayina ngisho isikole.
Ayudala nje uyashisa la khona futhi kumele nangimpilo.
Double guys, first gift comes too. Isikhan thala bayangishaya lana. Ngiyahamba ala isofuma emakhaya siyangizisa.
But I can expose my location. I can expose my location. Uba nomdifa naye road.
Okufunayo uzongithola eRoma.
Ongifuna uzongithola eRome. Ngikhona la uduze la.
Khona
Akashe.
I'm not hiding. Ongifunayo.
Not hiding, I'm walking. We are enjoying the walks. Hopefully we find now restaurant on the way.
Pen phela ama-hair and massage, please.
Hey.
Solo, can I have hair and massage? There's like only need 3.
Less than
Ngiyabanda manje.
Stop one rose.
Jiki kuyashisa next thing ngiyabanda. Senze njani emhlabeni guys? Thank you Spusiso. Thank you. Guys, ufuna uthalo uzomthola eRoma ushile chef.
Ngithela ngithola eRome angisifisanga mina ngiyawalka la street. Thenga ipizza.
No, zorrela.
Thenga ipizza.
Aninayo yo hathi ngiyogeza
We
nje.
didn't reach 1 rose.
Connection. Umuntu ofogijima ama-streets waseRome can't get a rose. Hey, what life is this?
Bathini lapho noma ungayithola i-rose? Bathini?
Abanginikanga eRose basingisela ama-power bank la.
Yo, kunzima-ke manje. I don't know why I'm gonna put all those things.
Tukubanda yana. Ngaleso sikhathi anginadlava mfana.
Ngiyabanda.
Kabanga kunadlava la it's
That's why I told you ukuthi iscarf le ngikutshela ngaso uzosithola Tyler, uzosithola.
18 degrees Celsius.
Uzotha lapho Tyler ngizofaka ama-Galaxy 2 ukuthi thathe le mali leyo uthenge le scarf engikuphathisa.
Uzofaka ama-Galaxy i2 then ngiyosithenga le scarf.
Yes, Mangivala, this is my last game. I'm going after this. Ngifuna ukugeza no sleep.
Ukhala umnika ama-coins
Passport no. Ngizoza ngifaka 2
Siyobona
2 Galaxy.
benza malini.
Hayi yabona-ke.
Phela angisho lama scarf lawa bayothengisa ngama-euro.
I'm sure lama-Galaxy azosithenga le scarf.
That's it. Dollar and a euro. The dollar is way smaller to the euro, so you have to times it by 2. So which is you're sending 4 pounds.
Wakho lapho.
Mashitapishu doruisha we.
No, eda lapho. Ngiyahamba chomi guys, I'm leaving.
Sindad. Thank you so much. Country. Good friend. Stop. Yes.
Time for me to shower. Thina ungasakhona ukwenza izinto wena lokhu uhleli ku-TikTok.
Izinto lezi awukhohlwa ukuthi usifunde English or usifunde Italian.
Manje uthi ngiyogeza manje. Because I'm hungry nje anyway.
Ngiyambana. Yes sir. Ngoba seningihambisa emzini mngane womfowasona ngicule ungayeki ngibambe.
Oh, ngaze ngawina. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the gifters. You know, Kurt Ilunduzana la. The MVP mfana. And it's only one. I'm thinking it's like 2 or 3. It's only one. But tell us straight, we are coming for you. Don't run. I'm a police wala awana ipam. Bakulanda ngezandla. Don't run.
Hayi.
Namahashi.
Batshela, don't run. Shine it on video.
Hayi mina ngabaleka mfana. Why?
Why? You know what you did.
You know your story.
You know what you did.
Yo, nina qhubeka nidlale mina ngisayogeza. I'll come back after I'm done everything.
Alright, no stress.
Udozo ngizobuya uma ungasadlali nondo.
Yothi ngizobuya uma ungasadlali nondo. Why?
Base
Ngila ama-galaxy singidlala nondo. Ngiyafuna
hayi.
if angathola ngidlala nondo, they don't count. If angathola ngidlala nondo, they don't count.
Undo phela isuchom yami.
Salo kanjani nomduva uqale sniper lapha.
Uyabona umduva nondo bangikwatela ukuthi mina ngenzani.
Aso umduva ngiyalazi likhona ndo lapha number 1. Ngithi kophi? Abo ali kanjani manje?
Ngangithi ngifuna ukugifta mo ngabona ukuthi athi ngihambe la.
Hayi, kumele ungifte, kumele bakwate laba boyithu laba, kumele bazi ali ukuthi mina nawe sabangani.
Exactly.
Yabona, so ngifte ngidlale nondo phela mina. Ngifuna kwate.
Okay ke, athi ngize ke. Dlalani ngiyeza.
Nginamabanana la endlini ngilambile mina.
Thatha amabhanana. Apha amabhanana. Udlele ku-stream. Shaya cornflakes, something. Ufuna nokupheka?
Lazy. No. Hawu sokulethe vele.
Ayithola. Or order. Sesikuphi manje ufundiswa? Score.
Guys, let's play together, please. On times 3. First gives times 3.
Times 3, guys. Let's go. Times 3, guys.
I didn't see anything. What's up?
Guys,
I think the only tourist attraction here is that, unless you want us to go to the Roman Catholic Church.
3.
Exactly. So it's either you're coming here or you're coming to the Roman Catholic Church. I don't know any other places here in Rome. If we're in Milan, hey.
Let's just take this few contents going by there.
Well, I mean, outside.
Let's have the one outside.
Yeah.
There's just flags of the.
No, Alice never says a song. Yo, I got the.
Yes, Sangen, la, yebo.
Yeah, I made it 3.
Yabona mangasenda wonke ngalesikhathi lesi.
Thank you, Tommy.
Mangawasenda wonke right now ngale times 2. Winile mfana. Phelile akusend ngiyothenga ikafu.
Wangizama usini nanga kusela 50. Guys, anizeni nizofaka lana izinto ezincane.
Sithenga ikafu. Then later siba live. Ngokutholela boyfriend.
Roma.
Yothelelwe ali boyfriend, ngomtholela umuntu okhuluma isi-Italian.
Yebo ngithanda lezi buko mngani. Let's go girl.
Come on guys, thank you for the rose, Spashi.
Show me.
Adangifuni.
Mama Rose.
Kanjani mfethu ngitholele ilentuzana mfethu. Umuntu okhuluma isi-Italian, uyifuna indoda ekhuluma isi-Italian. Or uthanda amaswati? Khona ukhupha.
Alice stop.
Yeah?
Without cinema.
No, ngisho lo mjuda wakhe lo gift lo umswati lo omgiftayo. So that's why ngithi uthanda amaswati.
Ali onodoli.
Unodolo umswati ne? Hayi ngiconfuse eka. Ngiyakhala. Ngiyakhala. Oh, hayi uyabanda lana. Sengishintshe nezandla kayi-3 phela manje. Shothi ukuthi ngiphuma ifikile.
Hey, please, how my gloves or go offline?
Yeah?
Go offline, go for my gloves.
Anginawo amaglavu mfethu. Siwathenga amaglavu lana mfethu. Siwathenga amaglavu. Sivele siyeza lana. Oh, so cool.
What they call it?
But you don't know where it's leading. Yeah. Damfana yawuzwa lo ma awuningi ngiyacomplain manje ukuthi yo hayi bale yalizwa le kaze ngeke. Uthini ndo?
I'm saying I'm on 10%.
I'm gonna charge you for it now, yeah. So dlala later. Awuzinami sisite. Yabo. Mayiphela le ngisho I'm gonna charge you for it. Nami ke ngizibelana. Enjoy sightseeing. Bona amabhasi.
One of my bus. And then for dollars.
Yabanda lana mfethu.
Praise the tune. Even like it's so on
Yabanda la wadlala.
Where was found this store? Danko?
Yabanda lana. Yeah.
Hello, what's it right?
So that's
Hawu. Betray. Avang betray inja. Yang betray inja. Ave yang betray. Ave yang betray inja. Inamaglavu.
Everyone.
Yang betray inja.
Thank you so
I
much.
don't.
guys.
I can't fit on his gloves. My hands are too thick.
So big.
Yeah, they thick. They're not big. They thick.
You like
So
thick,
he's a skinny, so I can't fit on his gloves.
you like thick stuff.
Yeah.
You like thick stuff.
Ngithi izandla zami zitika ngizangathi I like thick stuff.
Yabuza.
Wena.
You like thick stuff.
Wena you like thick stuff. Hayi mina ngiyenza ngi-thick stuff mina ngi-out.
Ow, I'm like a thief. I mean, end up with a thief. Sorry.
Yeah?
It's very thick.
Oh, you like thick?
Yeah.
Oh, I do like semi between. You can't be too thick. Between.
Okay, I'll see you later then, Mrs. Blank.
Okay, sharp.
Sure.